The Vaseline earlobe massage for back and knee pain. Are you feeling stiffness in your back or aching in your knees, making it hard to get up? In my practice, I often meet people who share these very concerns. Especially after the age of 60, back and knee pain tend to visit more frequently and linger longer. Many people think it's just a part of aging and endure it. But after more than 35 years of practice, I discovered you can relieve this pain at home with just a simple tub of Vaseline. If you watch this video to the end, your back and knee pain will disappear with just the Vaseline you have at home. No special medication or expensive treatments are needed. If you've had trouble getting up in the morning, or your knees have ached at night, disturbing your sleep, you can now get rid of that pain completely, simply, and safely, right at home. In fact, Maria Lopez, a 73-year-old living in San Diego, said, "My back pain was so severe it was hard to walk, but after my doctor taught me the Vaseline earlobe massage, the pain vanished and doing housework became much easier." And a 68-year-old named John Smith from Austin, Texas, told me, "My knees hurt every time I went up and down the stairs, but after following the doctor's advice, the knee pain went away completely." Before we begin, please press the subscribe and like buttons. Turning on notifications will also help you get useful health information quickly. Let's start. You probably have a tub of Vaseline at home, right? You've likely used it when your lips were chapped or your hands were cracked. But did you know that Vaseline isn't just a simple moisturizer? Let me tell you about a surprising fact I discovered while treating patients for over 35 years. Vaseline can do much more than you think. First, let me briefly explain what Vaseline is. The main ingredient in Vaseline is called white petrolatum, a highly purified component extracted from petroleum. This might sound scary, but it's a very safe ingredient that has been used for over 100 years. Hospitals also use Vaseline frequently. It acts as a protective barrier on wounds and soothes dry or inflamed skin. It's also used on areas prone to friction to protect the skin. Maria Lopez, the 73-year-old from San Diego, shared her experience. "My hands were so cracked and painful, but after the hospital recommended Vaseline, I used it consistently. Soon, my skin became soft, and the pain disappeared. I had no idea it was this good." Another great thing about Vaseline is that it's inexpensive and easy to find. You can buy it at any pharmacy, supermarket, or even online for just a few dollars. And unlike medication, there's almost no risk of side effects, so you can use it with peace of mind. As we get older, many of us take various medications, but since Vaseline is applied only to the skin and doesn't enter the body, there's no worry about it interfering with other drugs. John Smith, the 68-year-old from Austin, also shared his experience. "My knees often felt itchy, but applying Vaseline quickly soothed them. It was also easy to get from the pharmacy, so it wasn't a burden." If you've also used Vaseline, please share your experience in the comments. Sharing stories can help others. Now you know that Vaseline is more than just a moisturizer, right? Applying it behind your ear and massaging can help relieve joint pain. How to perform the Vaseline earlobe massage. I'll now tell you exactly how to apply Vaseline behind your ear. You'll be amazed at how this method can eliminate back and knee pain. First, stand in front of a mirror and look at your ear. If you feel behind your ear, you'll find a hollow spot. It's the indented area right between your ear and your head. This is the special spot where we need to apply the Vaseline. Before you start, be sure to wash your hands thoroughly. Clean hands are essential for a safe and hygienic massage. Now, take a small amount of Vaseline on your fingertip. You only need a tiny bit, about half the size of a small pea is plenty. Applying too much can feel sticky and uncomfortable. Next, gently apply the Vaseline to the hollow spot behind your ear. Then, use your index finger to gently massage in a circular motion. Don't press too hard, just massage softly, as if you're touching a baby's skin. A 75-year-old named Susan Miller from Boston shared her story. "I often had headaches, and my back and knees hurt too. But after my doctor showed me how to apply Vaseline behind my ear and massage it, not only did my headaches go down, but my back and knee pain also noticeably decreased. I was so surprised such a simple method could work so well." A 1 to 2 minute massage is enough. You don't need to do it for a long time. Do it on both sides, and it's best to do it twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. When you first start, apply a very small amount of Vaseline to check for any allergic reaction. If there is no redness or itching after 24 hours, you can use it safely. Here's an even better tip. Soak a towel in warm water and apply a warm compress to the area behind your ear for about 2 minutes before applying the Vaseline. The warmth will help improve blood circulation, enhancing the effects. There are also a few precautions to keep in mind. Do not use this method if you have any cuts or inflammation behind your ear. And remember, a small amount goes a long way, so use only a little to avoid a sticky feeling. Try it while watching this video. It might feel a bit awkward at first, but after a few days, it will feel natural. Why behind the ear? But why behind the ear? And how does this help eliminate back and knee pain? Our bodies are truly amazing. In Oriental medicine, the area behind the ear has long been considered an important spot. This area is where many blood vessels and nerves converge. In Western medicine, this area is called the temporal region, and it's also recognized for its vital role in blood circulation and nerve transmission. Let me explain it simply. There's a path for blood flow in our bodies, and if this path is blocked or doesn't flow well, we feel pain in various places. It's like a traffic jam on a road. Massaging behind the ear helps to improve this blood flow, which in turn improves overall circulation throughout the body. Specifically, the muscles in the neck, shoulders, and even the lower back are connected to the area behind the ear. Our body's muscles are linked together like a series of ropes. So, when one area hurts, it affects other areas as well. Gently massaging this spot can help release tension in these muscles, reducing pain in other connected areas. To be more specific, there are small muscles behind the ear called the suboccipital muscles. When these muscles tighten, they can cause headaches and make your neck and shoulders stiff. If this continues, it can put a strain on your back and knees, leading to pain. Vaseline's role is also very important. It creates a thin film on the skin, reducing friction and making the skin soft. This allows you to massage more deeply without damaging the skin. The smooth texture of Vaseline also helps your fingers glide smoothly during the massage. A 70-year-old man named Michael Davies from Portland, Oregon, shared this experience. My neck was stiff, and my shoulders, back, and knees always ached. But after I started applying Vaseline behind my ear and massaging it, everything felt much more relaxed, and the pain went down a lot. I was skeptical at first, but it's truly amazing. Especially in the morning, my body feels so much lighter. In fact, medical studies also show that using massage and skin protectants together helps relieve pain. A 2020 study found that neck and shoulder massages were effective in reducing overall muscle tension. As we get older, our skin becomes thinner and more sensitive, and Vaseline also has a soothing and protective effect on the skin. There's another important reason. Massaging behind the ear naturally releases endorphins, which are beneficial hormones. These hormones act as a natural painkiller, reduce stress, and relax your muscles. That's why you feel better and more comfortable after a massage. It's similar to the feeling you get after a workout. Another reason for improved blood circulation is the local temperature increase. A massage raises the temperature of the area slightly, causing blood vessels to widen. This allows more nutrients and oxygen to reach the muscles, and waste products are expelled more quickly, which reduces pain. It can also be explained neurologically. Many nerves pass through the ear, and stimulating this area changes the signals sent to the brain. The massage signals reach the brain faster than the pain signals, so you feel less pain. This is called the gate control theory, and it's the same principle as rubbing a sore spot to make it hurt less. This method may seem simple, but it has a scientific basis. It helps our body's natural healing abilities without complex machines or expensive treatments. The wisdom of our ancestors, who would rub and massage painful areas, is being proven by modern science. If you want an even better effect, try mixing a drop of lavender oil with the Vaseline. Lavender helps relax muscles and soothe the mind. Peppermint oil also provides a cool sensation and helps with blood circulation. Just be sure to test a small area on your skin first to make sure there's no irritation. Also, the time of day matters. Doing it in the morning can make your body feel light, making it a daily habit. So, you've learned about the Vaseline earlobe massage and its principles. Now for the most important part: how to make this good habit a consistent part of your daily life. No matter how good a method is, it's useless if you don't stick with it. First, let me tell you the best times to do it. After 35 years of treating patients, I found the most effective times are right after you wake up in the morning and right before you go to bed at night. Doing it in the morning will make your body feel light and energized all day. It's like starting your day with a good stretch, with your muscles already relaxed. Doing it in the evening is also great. It helps release the tension in your muscles that has built up from a day of stress and fatigue, helping you get a deep sleep. Doing it about an hour before bed is especially good for calming your mind and improving your sleep. A 66-year-old man named David Johnson from Denver, Colorado, shared this. My wife and I started doing the Vaseline massage and stretching every evening, and our back and knee pain decreased. We're both sleeping better now. At first, I thought it would be a hassle, but now we don't miss a single day. Doing it together as a couple makes it more fun. I highly recommend doing this with your family. It's easy to forget or get lazy when you're alone, but doing it with your spouse or children helps you stay consistent. It also strengthens family bonds and creates time for healthy conversations. Here are some other healthy habits that go well with the Vaseline massage. First, try some simple neck and shoulder stretches. After the massage, slowly turn your neck from side to side and raise and lower your shoulders. This will enhance the effects of the massage. Drinking water is also very important. After the massage, drink a cup of warm water. When your blood circulation is good, staying hydrated helps your body flush out waste and speeds up muscle recovery. It's a good habit to divide about 8 cups of water throughout the day. Regular routines are also crucial. Waking up and going to bed at the same time, eating at regular intervals, and getting moderate exercise all enhance the effects of the massage. Our bodies are at their healthiest when we live a regular life. Try to add some exercise too. You don't need a strenuous workout. A slow walk around your neighborhood or some simple exercises at home are enough. The effect will be doubled when you exercise after your muscles have been relaxed by the Vaseline massage. A 71-year-old named Eleanor Brown from Phoenix, Arizona, shared her story. Every morning, after my earlobe massage, I walk around my apartment complex for about 30 minutes. At first, my knees hurt, but now I can walk with almost no pain. The massage relaxes my body before I walk, which makes it so much easier. Food is also important. Salty foods can cause swelling and hinder blood circulation. Instead, eat fresh vegetables, fruits, and fish. Fish, especially fatty fish rich in omega-3s, helps reduce inflammation, which can help with pain. Don't forget stress management. Stress can tighten your muscles and worsen pain. While massaging behind your ears, try some deep breathing exercises. Slowly inhale through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth 5 times. This will help calm your mind. I also recommend listening to your favorite music while you massage. Calm, relaxing music can soothe your mind and enhance the massage effects. Classical music, nature sounds, or meditation music are all great options. There are also different approaches for different seasons. In the spring and fall, try doing it with your window open to get some fresh air. In the summer, do it in a cool place where the air conditioner won't blow directly on you. In the cold winter, it's best to do it indoors. Before the massage, you can warm your hands by rubbing them together or dipping them in warm water to make it more effective. Here are some practical tips to stay consistent. First, check off the days you do the massage on a calendar. Seeing your progress will give you a sense of accomplishment and help you not miss a day. You can also set a phone alarm to remind you at the same time every day. It's also important to keep your Vaseline in a visible place, like on your nightstand or by the bathroom sink, so you naturally remember it every day. When you go out, you can take a small container of it with you so you can do it anytime. You might not feel the effects right away, but be consistent for at least a week. Our bodies need time to adapt to changes. Most people start to feel a change within 3 days to a week. A 69-year-old named Patricia Jones from Seattle, Washington, said, "For the first 3 days, I didn't feel any difference, but after about a week, I noticed my body felt much lighter in the morning. After a month, my knee pain was almost gone, and now I've been doing it consistently for 2 years. It's become a part of my life, and I'm so glad I didn't give up. Share this method with your family too. Teaching it to your children and grandchildren can help the whole family stay healthy. It can also help relieve neck and shoulder tension for younger generations who use computers and smartphones a lot. Finally, check your body's progress regularly. Once a month, try to rate your pain level on a scale of 1 to 10 and write down your sleep quality and mood. This will help you see your progress objectively. Start today. Don't try to be perfect. The most important thing is to be consistent, even if it's just once a day. Share your healthy changes in the comments to give others hope and encouragement. You've done great today. If you follow my advice, your back and knee pain will disappear. In part 2, I will answer your most frequently asked questions from the comments and summarize what we've learned today. First, I'll answer the most common question: can I use something other than Vaseline? The best thing about Vaseline is its pure ingredients and almost no side effects. However, if you don't have Vaseline, you can use coconut oil or olive oil. Just be sure to do an allergy test before you use them. The second most common question is, how many times a day should I do it? Generally, twice a day, in the morning and evening, is enough. However, if your pain is severe, you can do it one more time during lunchtime. Doing it too often can put a strain on your skin, so I don't recommend more than 3 times a day. Many of you also asked, how soon can I expect to feel the effects? While it varies for each person, most people start to feel a change within 3 days to a week. Some people feel their bodies become lighter on the very first day. The important thing is consistency. If you do it consistently for about a month, you will feel a noticeable change. A 72-year-old named Charlotte Anderson from Dallas, Texas, said, "After starting the Vaseline ear massage, not only did my headaches go down, but my back and knee pain also got much better. I also felt happier. I was skeptical at first, but after a week, I felt a definite change. It's also easier to fall asleep at night, and my body feels much lighter in the morning." The comments from others were really helpful. Many of you also worry, what if my skin is sensitive? Vaseline is very gentle and safe for most people, but if you have sensitive skin, apply a very small amount and wait for 24 hours. If there's no redness or itching, you can use it safely. I also get questions like, can I do this if I have high blood pressure or diabetes? Since this massage is external and doesn't involve medication, it's safe. It can even be beneficial for stress relief and blood circulation. However, if you have a serious medical condition, you should consult your doctor. In response to the question, does it have to hurt to be effective? I want to say, absolutely not. It's best to be gentle. Pressing too hard can actually make your muscles more tense. Use a comfortable pressure and massage slowly in circles. Many of you also asked, is it okay if I have an implant or hearing aid? Yes, there's no problem at all. You're only massaging the ear, so it won't affect any medical devices. In fact, improved blood circulation might even be beneficial. I also received a question, can I do this for a family member with dementia? This can be very good for people with dementia. Gentle touch and massage can provide a sense of psychological comfort and strengthen family bonds. However, if the person doesn't like it, don't force it. You can start with a short duration. A 74-year-old named Richard Nelson from Chicago, Illinois, shared this experience. I've been giving my wife, who has early-stage dementia, a daily evening earlobe massage. At first, she wouldn't sit still, but now she waits for my massage time. She feels more relaxed, and I'm happy to have found a new way to care for her. And for those who asked, what do I do when I travel? You can put a small amount of Vaseline into a small container and take it with you. You can easily do the massage in a hotel or vacation rental. In fact, you'll probably be more tired than usual while traveling, so this massage will help relieve fatigue. I also received a practical question, how much does it cost? A single tub of Vaseline can last for several months, so it costs less than $1 per month. Compared to medical bills and medication, It's incredibly affordable. It's hard to find a more cost-effective